Welcome to the first lesson of our Midjourney course. Today, we are going to cover something crucial, navigating the Midjourney interface in Discord. Whether you are new to Discord or just new to Midjourney, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to get started. First of all, you will need to join the official Midjourney Discord server. If you didn't, I made a video where I guide you through registering in Discord and setting up your Midjourney server. Once you're in, you will see the server on the left sidebar with a list of different channels. The magic of Midjourney happens through this Discord bot, so make sure you are in a channel that has the Midjourney bot activated. So let's dive into how to use it. Now let's create your first image. You will type the command /imagine followed by your prompt. This will activate Midjourney's bot. Once you hit enter, the bot will start generating an image based on your description. You will see your result appear in just a few moments. After your image is generated, you will notice a few options below it. These are used to refine your creation. U1, U2, U3, U4. These upscale the selected version of the image to higher quality. When you generate an image, you get 4 small versions to choose from. The upscale buttons make any of these versions larger and more detailed. So if you like one of the images, you can click the upscale button next to it to get a bigger, clearer vision. V1, V2, V3, and V4 generate variations of the selected images, giving you more options to choose from. The variation buttons create new images that look similar to the one you selected. It is like saying, I like this one, but show me more options that are slightly different. The next button rerolls the entire generation, giving you a completely new set of images based on the same prompt. If you didn't like any of the first result, you can hit reroll to try again with a fresh batch of images. And that's it for this introduction to Midjourney's interface on Discord. Now you're ready to start creating. In the next lesson, we will focus on crafting detailed prompts to get the best result. This is Emmanuel Canton's AI avatar. See you there.